pick up our annual pass holder magnet.
Supposed to be ready.
I'm ready. I stay ready. All right, we're in Creation Shop, and this is the new Starbucks mug. It's from the new Discovery series, and I'm just not a fan. It's just a little boring, a little plain. I like our other Starbucks been there Disney mugs. I know, I looked on the back. There's not much to it.
Did you order those erasers?
These are nice. They're like kind of rose gold that everybody was into a couple years ago. Ooh. $39.99 shimmery tumbler. I like that. Those just don't hold enough for me. Penelope's over here finding little stuffies we haven't seen. So like a vintage like Steamboat Willie Mickey.
It's like...
And then under here they even have Oswald tucked down at the bottom. It's kind of like a what is this? Like crocheted look, right, Pam?
Yeah, it's a crochet.
Yeah, like the crocheted plushie.
Princess.
Ooh, yeah, that one's nice and big. Cute little kid sweater with all the little snackies.
Guy.
And then they also have like it's like the same sweatshirt material kids shorts.
What's this?
It's the Hey Hey Dole Whip cone. Ooh, and then Spirit jersey. I do like that one. I do. I think Mom would love it too, right? 'Cause she loves popcorn. Ooh, and Disney's getting into the oversized belt bag fanny pack game with their Disney Eats collection. That's cute. $39.99. That's like the price of the day. All of them are $39.99 that I'm picking up. Ooh, and that's just the Festival of the Arts merch. So a whole Figment Spirit jersey. And we have a Figment plushie. This is a little awkward, but if you're really into Figment, well, a whole bunch of Figment munchlings. And then a little, this one's kind of nice. Figment corksicles. Zach has a couple of these. He really likes them.
Did you start the comment and then?
Are you so excited to meet Asha? Yeah. What are you gonna ask her about?
Don't know.
You don't know? Valentino? Or where Star is?
Star.
Yeah. Or if King Magnifico is still trapped?
We even collected extra because I thought it'd be a good idea to braid Valentino's fur into two little braids and put flowers in them. You think Valentino would look handsome with little braids? Flowers in them too, huh? Well, maybe you guys could stop on over to Rosa's. Maybe we could do that together and pick some flowers. And maybe I can braid both of your hair. Two little braids and we'll put lots of flowers in them. I think you guys would look beautiful.
Asha was so amazing. She was so sweet with the girls, and she went on like a whole story, so there wasn't any like empty space. But we're looking now for where to do the paint by number thing, where everybody makes a big portrait. We've never done it before. I wonder if it might be over by Figment. All right, so we have to head up this way to do the paint by number, and all the chalk artists are setting up to do some chalk art. It's like what we do, but way better. Like I have a bike, right, Pen? I drew a bike.
Yeah.
You think I could be a chalk artist? Ooh. That's cool. Oh, look, she's doing a cheetah. There's Nat Geo stuff.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Water.
Yeah, the monorail. It's so pretty.
Flowers.
Oh, it's inspired by Georgia O'Keeffe. All right, Disney has... Nope, yep, you go around that way. There's these things you can step into. This one's from Sleeping Beauty. Yep, this way. You guys are supposed to be dancing.
Out of over something. Just saying there, it's fine.
We're finally gonna get to do this. The paint by number mural. Yay! Alright, all the good rides are quite long because we didn't buy Genie Plus today. So we're doing the ones that the kids love. So Figment is only 5 minutes, so that's what we're doing first. We want to do the paint by numbers. There's Milo. But they open at 11. So just so you know, because we didn't know, they open at 11. And it doesn't say that on the map. all the arts, and while Penelope and I were writing Cosmic Rewind, Zach decided to go over to Deconstructed Dish with the babies and get the deconstructed key lime pie.
Show you a stamp.
It looks so good. You gonna show me the stamp? Oh wow,
Yeah,
it
you
looks
love the stamp
awesome. Ooh, that's nice. That means we can get 2.
Yeah, maybe.
And then what did you get?
This is the mint julep.
The deconstructed mint julep.
Yeah. With bourbon.
Ooh. Alright, I guess we're gonna go trying everything on this menu. So this is the deconstructed BLT. So pork belly, onion bread pudding, watercress, espuma, and tomato jam.
Tomato soup.
Alright, so over at Pastoral Palette, we got the Play on Rosé flight because we saw Mammoth Club and I just thought it was so cute. So it's a rosé hard cider, a blonde ale, and a frozen rosé. I love it so much. It's so cute. And then we also got the braised beef short rib with parsnip puree. It looks like blistered tomatoes and broccolini. It looks good.
And is it good? Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is good. Oh, we love all these.
You marry me.
How cute.
Mommy, so don't tell a camera.
I really like, I think, this one.
Tell a camera to me.
Alright, we got the hummingbird cake over at the, oh goodness, I don't remember the name of the booth, but it's in the America Pavilion area. So
Hummingbird
Zach
cake.
was really excited for this one because they kind of like revamped it.
Hummingbird cake.
And it's everything we love. So we're waiting for him to come in and try it.
Oh, it's right there.
Is it good?
It's like Four Rivers. Banana pudding. Or bread pudding.
Oh. I hear ya. Alright, at Goshiki, Zach got the personalized sake wooden box.
No.
And then they put the little cup of, what is it, just sake?
Sake.
Okay, in there. And then Penelope really wanted to try the, what is it, Daifuku mochi, I believe? So, it's supposed to have like a whole strawberry inside. But this is the one thing Penelope really wanted from the fest. Milo, put your head through there. Oh, you want the big one now? Oh, there he is. Hi, buddy. And there's Baby.
No, I'm Milo.
You guys are cute. We're finally into paint by number. All right. No, how many have you done?
I didn't know.
Okay, so you started here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you get to do 4. Rain.
Okay, you start one, bud. Oh, nice. Got it up high. Bring it down low. Oh.
I think it was back there. Yeah.
Alright, let Abby get in there and get a shot.
Was that fun, Pen?
Yeah, my pants don't work.
Oh, that's okay.
Alright, let
Maybe have a turn, okay, guys?
Yep, there you go. Yeah, bring it up. You gotta keep your hands straight all the way up in there. You gotta lean forward one. There you go. See?
My shirt! Hey, do you have a change for me, Mom?
Pen, you can play with that one. No worries. No, you can't do anything there, buddy.
Let's get a beer.
It's like Halloween Horror Nights.
Oh, there he is. Oh, let's get this one. All right, last one. Let's go. Come on. Milo.
It's like a giant. Alright, heading into Club Cool to try some sodas over there.
I forgot.
You know, yeah, you forgot you still don't like it.
Some of all colors, IPA, 6 cents. Gulfstream Brewing Company.
You sound like a commercial.
And the beef Wellington,
The one thing.
mushroom duck salad, prosciutto puppy street, and a red wine demi-glace, and the tiniest little baby carrot. We come bearing gifts
Where's the fountain?
of rainbow colors. Woo!
You can't drink that, buddy. Sorry.
All right, Zach went and got the kids 2 pieces of the rainbow cake
I think Lila just looks
with the freeze-dried Skittles on top. We annihilated our beef Wellington, and then Zach got the rainbow beer flight.
Rainbow beer flight.
So the green is the blonde ale, the blue is the butterfly pea lager, and
Then it's okay.
what
We
was
can
this?
get more
Purple, violet.
if we need to. I think it's okay that we got 2,
Fruit tart beer. So how cool are those?
6, 5 ways.
bad.
This is like the
Isn't it looking good?
Try it.
My sweet is letting go.
Record yourself.
She likes it.
Okay, that's good. Thanks for sharing, honey. Alright, so in this pavilion, they also have all these little, like, crafty art stations. So they have, like, the sandbox creations, spin art.
Did
and
you hear
then,
that?
Like, name works, where they just take your name and, like, draw the pictures into it. But those are cute. They're all extra. And for even a small piece in the sandbox creations, it's $20. So we'd have to do one for all 3 kids. Whew. It all adds up.
Daddy, I'll be the person. You'll be the chef. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, Ivy, what did you think of the cake?
Chop.
Was it good?
Yes.
Yeah, would you get it again?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Can you tie my shoe?
Penelope, what did you think of the cake?
I will get it again.
You liked it?
Mommy,
Yeah,
tie my
too.
shoe.
Can Daddy tie your shoe?
No.
All right. So when we open these, do I get first dibs? Or we wait until we get home?
No, we can open them when we get to the car.
Yeah.
I think they bring it back
But you
first.
got the teddy run things get to me. It depends on what you got. The jalapeno. Poppy, which one do you want to
I
trade
spent
me?
like $30.
Wait, oh, yeah, Poppy,
No.
the red bean is good. I've never done trade.
Oh, that's cute.
Ramen noodle Pluto.
Oh, cute. Ivy, I love it.
He comes out.
Yep.
Yeah.
You got a little piece.
I love it.
Cute. Alright, we're calling it a day at Epcot. It's only 4:07, and normally we stay until it's like dark out when we go to Disney. But we're all quite tired. We're on the end of a cold, so we're just ready to go. But we had a really good day. All the foods were really, really good. Milo got worn out, so he fell asleep. Uh-oh, poor Pluto. But so Festival of the Arts was really fun, and I liked all the different art booths around because we've never done that festival before. I will say the paint by number is kind of stressful with multiple children. I think if you're only doing it with one child and then like you're carrying a baby or the baby's in the stroller, that would be a lot easier. But for us trying to manage 3 young children while doing the paint by number, it wasn't fun. I was like sweating from stress because it's like they all want to do it at the same time. There's like 50 people go up with you and everybody's trying to find a spot to paint. So I don't know if I would necessarily want to do that again with all the children, but the food was good. I loved the deconstructed BLT, the pork belly. So good. That whole booth was really good. The beef Wellington was kind of disappointing. The mashed potatoes were truffly and not my favorite and cold, but The kids loved the rainbow cake. And yeah, I think we just had a really good time.
Braised short rib is good.
The braised short rib. Yeah, but you didn't like the parsnip.
I didn't go there for the first
The parsnip just tasted like mashed carrots. So, but the braised short rib was good, you're right. And that one had the best flight, I think.
Yeah, that was a good rosé.
Oh, we didn't get that dessert trio that we wanted to. That was like chocolate, strawberry, and we didn't get that one. That's right. Maybe we'll come back. Maybe not. I know we have plans to go to Universal soon, so that'll kind of interrupt things. We're 505 on that side. But yeah, we had a good time. Girls, did you have fun?
Yeah, I did. Are you gonna take care of it in the car?